Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the camera and the update file. Charge the GoPro above 50% and, if possible, leave it plugged in while updating. This prevents mid-update power loss. Once done, remove the card and back up any important footage to your computer because the update can touch file indexes. Then download the correct firmware for your exact GoPro model to your computer, so you have the file ready to copy to the SD card in the next step. Now you copy the firmware to the card and trigger the install. First, format the micro SD in the camera for a clean start, or use XFAT/FAT32 on your computer. Formatting avoids corrupted files. Next, place the firmware file or folder at the root of the card exactly as the download instructions state. The camera looks only in that location. Then insert the card into the GoPro and power it on so the device detects the update and prompts you to proceed. You complete the process by installing and confirming the update. When prompted on screen, accept and let the GoPro run the installation. Do not remove the battery, unplug, or eject the card because interruption can brick the unit. After the camera reboots, make sure to check settings then about to verify the firmware version matches the release. If it fails, reformat the card, download a fresh firmware file, and repeat. This fixes corrupted downloads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.